Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to view all Facebook ads you've clicked on. This will be a super quick and easy tutorial. Now the first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. And from here, you need to find Recent Ad Activity. Click on that. And there you go. You can view all the Facebook ads you click on here. And click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the post if you want to save, hide, and report post. And that's it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!